Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we are looking at the Tide Laundry Stain Remover with OXI and 3 reasons you need this item. Number 1, it's got a very decent stain remover with having OXI added to it, and I can attest to this one because I had some canvas shoes that really took a beating when I had to make a housing move recently, and this is something that I had pretty much written the shoes off. Well, I tell you what, a fair amount of spraying with this one. I let them set for a few minutes and ran them with a very reduced load in the washer, and those things came out. They didn't have the stink to them, and it looked about as close as you could expect to them being almost right out of the box. So reason number 2, travel bottles are just not for travel. If you don't need to use a lot of stain remover, and there's times, depending on the time of the year, that I may use less or more, I'd rather have a smaller bottle like this sitting around so that way when I do have to replace it, I'm getting something a little bit fresher. Reason number 3, and I kind of covered this one a little bit in reason number 1, it deals with the tough stains. I had some canvas shoes that really had taken a beating, and I thought I was going to have to part ways with them. I just let these things, after giving them a good wash, and I'd sprayed them quite a bit and washed them, and then I just let them air dry. I didn't want to push it with trying to run it into the dryer, and I didn't want to cause further damage on the shoes. I'm very pleased with this one, so the next time I have to do something like this is what I'm going to go back to. So take a look at this one and think about giving it a try. This is another good idea with the travel bottles. You don't have to buy a big one then where you've wasted your money. Start with a travel bottle and see how well it works for you.